Welcome to a day in our life at the restaurant. So today, I'm gonna be cooking the takoyakis myself because madami kaming absent today. Hindi naman madami, but yung nagluluto specifically ng takoyaki, hindi siya pumasok today. Kasi may ano daw siya, may sakit. So, I don't mind because originally, I've been cooking naman talaga this takoyaki. So, let's start. Yan, ganyan-ganyan lang siya. O, diba? Can you imagine? When we started this restaurant, I had to learn how to cook takoyaki. Hindi naman talaga ako marunong magluto nito. I just learned because I had no choice and everybody loved our takoyaki. The recipe, I asked this from a friend of ours na tumira at nagtrabaho sa Japan. So, she knows the perfect takoyaki. So, buti na lang talaga we have friends who's ready and willing to help us out. Even our Japgyupsal, itong restaurant na to, it was also a friend of mine na tumulong sa amin. Tinuruan niya kami because yung concept nito is not actually we improved it but it's not originally ours. Yung Japanese-Korean. Kaya ano talaga to, sa isang friend namin who is based in Tondo, who's also running a very successful samgyupsalan. So ayun, so I asked her, I told her, Madam, actually client ko yun, nagpa-vlog sa akin dati. Sabi ko, Madam, baka pwede namang gusto din namin magtayo niyan sa kawit, something like that. Or something like yours, kung ano man yung meron kayo, yung concept na yan. And then she said, yes. Sige, sabi niya, tulungan ko kayo. So from day one, from construction pa lang hanggang sa development ng menu, of course yung mga timpla kay Baby Boy yun, pero yung mga development ng menu, what's in the menu, the combinations and everything else, ayun, tinulungan niya kami. She was the one who helped us formulate yung ating mga food, yung mga recipes natin na ilalagay sa ating menu, except for the takoyaki and Japanese pancake because this one, I was the one who thought of it. Kasi sabi ko, ang daming mahilig sa takoyaki. So why not just put takoyaki as well sa menu? O, diba? And it turns out, ito yung talaga nagustuhan ng mga people. Kaya thank you guys. So let's cook our takoyaki. Let's wait for it to cook. And then I'll get back to you later. A lot of you have been asking me kasi kung bakit namin naisipan to or why it ever crossed our mind to also build a restaurant like this. It's actually because si Baby Boy nga, di ba nasagot ko na to in one of my lives sa TikTok. Si Baby Boy kasi, he finished culinary school already and mas gusto niya yung hot kitchen. So meaning, mas gusto niya yung nagluluto sa kusina. Compared to doing pastries, which is Platon. Platon naman talaga is originally my brother's. Kasi yung brother ko, si Platon is my brother, siya yung mahilig sa pastry. Si Harold gusto niya naman talaga hot kitchen. So instead of him applying for a job, so sabi niya, mag-ano na lang kami restaurant. And we decided to go with Japanese-Korean fusion, Japanese-Korean barbecue because we both love Japanese food. As a matter of fact, may ramen kami. Hindi ko lang matimingan na i-release. And one more thing that I'm considering, kung magra-ramen ako dito, baka magulo yung concept. So I might get something here beside us kasi malapad pa dito. I might rent again a space for the ramen. Yung ramen namin, buo na. Tapos na yung recipe, as in masarap siya guys. Believe me when I say masarap because I know you all believe me when I say masarap. Si Baby Boy din yung from scratch nag-develop ng recipe. And it's really, really good. So, we cannot figure it out pa up to this moment kung ano ba ang plano namin sa ramen na yon. But yes, we already have the recipe. We already know the process of cooking it. Yun na lang talaga fina-finalize namin. Kasi if we like build another store here, syempre wala pang budget guys, kailangan talaga yan ng budget. kailangan talaga namin ng funds for that to build another store kasi hindi naman biro magpatayo ng brick and mortar store if, 'di ba? If you're planning to make a business out of it talaga sa brick and mortar, meaning may physical store talaga, hindi naman din ganun ka liit ang gastos. So, kailangan mo talaga ng mahaba-habang pise. So, we believe naman na God has plans. It will all happen in the perfect time, in God's time. God's time is always a perfect time. JM, tingin ako. So yun lang talaga, the secret to starting a business. A lot of you have been asking me as well, kung ano ba yung tips to start a business. Alam nyo, tiwala lang talaga yun at dasal. Because you really never know, it's like gambling. Though business, of course, mas calculated yung risk mo. Gambling is really just sheer luck. Pero sa business, you can calculate it, you can predict it, or at least malang forecast it if not predict it. So it really is about faith and prayer. If you want to start a business, make sure that you are happy doing business, that you are well equipped to do business, that you have the emotional strength, the emotional quotient to do business. Kasi it's so different. Alam nyo, every day is a roller coaster ride. I have anxiety and every day it gets triggered. Lalo na pag medyo mahina. Well, yung definition ko dito ng mahina is when we are not achieving our sales quota for the day. So there are several times, lalo ngayong month, ngayong July, there are months, there are days, weekdays na hindi talaga namin na achieve yung sales quota. Hindi naman malayo sa quota, but then hindi pa rin na-achieve and it triggers my anxiety. During the weekends naman, given na yun, makakakota ko talaga, sobra-sobra pa. But during the weekdays, this is the first time nung pumasok ang July, na talaga mahina because it's the lean months. Ito yung mga months na talagang mahina ang negosyo. And I can say na, though mahina siya for others, I can pretty much say na sa amin naman, hindi ganun kahina. Hindi lang nakakakota like before, like the previous months, but hindi naman din ganun kalayo yung kulang. So, kunwari, nagkukulang lang kami mga 2,000, 3,000. But of course, when you're running a business, yung day-to-day operations mo, malaking bagay yan. Yung 2,000 and 3,000. Kaya that's why, yung anxiety ko talaga natitrigger. Pero lately, nung nasanay na ako, parang hayaan na, ganun talaga. At least walang sumasakto din naman sa pagbabayad ng mga bills and everything else that we need to pay in order to keep the business running. So, wag na magreklamo. Bawi na lang tayo sa bare months kasi bare months naman daw talaga sobra-sobrang ibibigay. July is a lean month because ito na yung enrollment schedule, ito na yung mga pasukan, so mga bagong gamit. Siyempre, uunahin nyo ng mga parents mabili ng bagong gamit. And in any business talaga, hindi pwedeng Pasko lagi. Yun nga yung kasabihan na hindi laging Pasko kapag nag-negosyo. And you will encounter lean months like this talaga. So let's just wait for our takoyaki. Ang dami na nating napag-usapan. While cooking the takoyaki, and a lot of customers are already waiting for this. They're behind me, they're also watching. But yes guys, dito sa Jobyupsar, we also allow pets. We're pet lovers ourselves, kami ni Baby Boy. That's why we also allow pets inside. So and later, I'll be back and I'll show you the finished takoyaki.
I just want to celebrate. Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
So our takoyakis are done. Naluto ko na sila lahat. And we're just waiting. Titigman natin. So people are telling me, kakaiba yung takoyaki dito because it's crispy. It's because of how we mix the batter, how we created the batter. So mas masarap kasi ang crispy na takoyaki. If you haven't tried a crispy takoyaki yet, you might as well come here and try it. So I'll show you how crispy it is. Yun yung masarap na takoyaki, yung crispy. Ayan na. So of course we put the takoyaki sauce. And we put Japanese mayo. Hoy guys, hindi M&M Japanese mayo yung ginagamit namin. Talagang Japanese mayo yan. Ayan. So ito yung niluto natin takoyaki kanina. And we also put aonori. So let's try our takoyaki. And we put crab stick. Ayoko sa octopus kasi medyo amoy yung octopus. Talaga matapang yung amoy. But we also have a la carte takoyaki for everybody. So kung gusto nyo mag a la carte lang ng takoyaki or mag-take out, pwede po. Let's try our takoyaki. So good. I'm so happy. So good. Mainit lang, pero sanay na kasi ako. Sit one more. Unlimited po ito ha sa lahat ng packages natin dito sa Japgipsat. Thank you. Abulog kayo? Thank you po. Doon sa dulo, zone ko na. Ano? 6. Nag-enjoy po kayo? Kamusta food? Kamusta food nyo? Kamusta ang pagkain? Sarap.
Ayaw ko kasi naman namin. Gusto ko na labit pero yung dito.
Ulitin mo, madam. Ang sabi mo? Ayaw mo? Hindi siya kagaya ng ano?
Hindi kagaya ng iba kasi mahilig ako sa samgyup. Kaso yung iba matamis. Kaya hindi ako nag-order nun. Pero yung dito, carry lang. Oo, mas gusto ko yung dito.
Mas gusto mo yun sa amin?
Hindi, first time ko naman, lagi akong napapadaan kasi wala lang time ng gabi na.
Oo, tsaka lagi kami puno.
Napadaan kasi
Lalo na paggabi ka dumaan, puno talaga kami. Yung iba, sabi nga ng iba, puno na naman doon, hindi na kayo pupunta doon. Tapos minsan, hindi kami puno, sayang naman.
hindi
Oo.
lagi,
Pero pag nag-chat sila, hindi kami pumunta kasi wala kami maupuan, puno na naman siguro. Ay hindi po ma'am, hindi po kami puno tunay. Siguro lahat kayo yung iniisip, puno na naman kami. Wala kayong maupuan.
kasi ako hindi ko sabi ko lagi, ay, napadaan ko hindi ko kay madam, hindi ako napapaano, hindi ko napapahinto. Hindi ko pinatigilan yung husband ko. Madaan ko.
Sulit naman. Thank you, madam. Kayo, busog kayo? Parang gutom pa si ate. Thank you, madam. Nakakaloka, guys. I was supposed to do a restaurant vlog, pero bigla tayong may client na nag-walk-in. So, client ko to sa real estate, doon sa ating mga property investments here in Cavite. So, bigla siyang dumating doon sa site. And I was only informed just now kasi bigla siyang dumating. Nag-walk-in siya. Hindi kami nakapag-usap sa chat. Doon pala siya nag-message siya. Doon pala siya sa comment section nagsasabi. So, kala niya hindi kami nagre-reply. It's just that hindi kami nakapag-reply sa comment section namin. But of course, dito sa chat, nagre-reply kami. Kaya sabi ko, wala naman akong ka-chat. Sino yung nag-message? So, ayan, the restaurant. Wait muna, may mga tao naman doon. This one, I have to rush. Going to Minami because one of our clients who wants to purchase a home is currently there. So, nandun sila ngayon. So, ayan. So, see you guys there. So, nakakaloka ang araw natin. Very random kasi biglang may dumating na walk-in client. Actually, nag-message naman siya pala pero sa page ko kaya hindi mo nakita. Si Kenneth kasi may access din siya sa real estate page natin. Kasi siya yung partner ko sa real estate. Kaso lang, nag-chat siya sa Madam Ellie.
Madam Ellie. Hindi siya nag-chat dun sa mismong page.
Ito na naman ako.
May naiwan.
So, buti na lang, she was assisted. Alam mo kung saan siya nilagay? Sa aircon, te.
Ay, bongga.
Pag client natin, dinidiretso nila sa aircon. Nakakatuwa naman ang ating mga pro friends. So, ayun. So, she inquired about a Minami unit and she also wanted to explore yung West Wind residences.
Yung condos.
Yung West Wind, yun naman po ang condo natin. Dito also sa Cavite, which I will be showing you soon. Yung mga condo developments because there will be condos here. Mga low-rise lang. Which is really a good investment as well for those who are looking to put their money into investments. Alam nyo, Cavite is the place to be. And hindi ko na kayo kailangan ulit-ulitin i-remind that Cavite is the future. Si Kenneth kasi tubong Cavite talaga to.
True.
Nakita mo yung difference mula ang bata ka hanggang ngayon?
True. It's very...
Dati daw talahiban lang to.
True. Puro damong matataas.
Puros damong matataas, but now we have very wide roads, connected roads, connecting us to Metro Manila, connecting us to the north, the skyways, and to the south. So yun, it's supposed to be a restaurant vlog today, pero may walking client, wala tayong magagawa. So I'm wearing different hats. I also do vlogs. I work in the restaurant.
What more can you ask?
What more can you ask? Or we do real estate. Kaya I'm asking na the help of Kenneth to help out as well sa real estate business. Because nga ang dami din naman nagchat-chat. Yung restaurant, ako din nagre-reply pag Sunday kasi day off ng ating admin. But ito lang yung life namin. I think
Simple life.
we're the titas.
Like simple life.
We're becoming the titas of Cavite, I guess.
True.
And soon we will also be offering Ayala Land. So I'm just ironing things out with Ayala Land. But it's a direction also I want to take. I want to focus more on real estate. Anyway, food is the love of my Jowa Bells. Food is the love of baby boy. He can manage this. I trained him enough already. I'm sure he's had enough training from me with our over 3 months of operation. Marunong na siya magpatakbo ng restaurant. Ikaw, te, kaya mo na mag-follow up ng mga documents.
True.
Kaya mo na mag-file sa BIR.
5 a.m.
So, yeah. So, if you're looking into investing in a property or if you're looking for new investments kasi wala kayong mapaglagyan ng napakarami yung pera.
True.
Or if you want to grow the money that you have now, you can always contact us. Our contact numbers are there dito sa description box ng video. And you can also message us on our Facebook page. Inaayos ko lang yung Facebook page natin because wala pa siyang username. So I'll fix it and then I'll let you know guys if it's up and ready already. So ikaw, ano mako-comment mo sa bago nating eksena in life?
Well,
Inaantok ka. Well, inaantok si Kenneth.
inaantok na naman. Kahit kakagising lang.
So ayan, people are starting to come. It's a Sunday. It's a full day for the restaurant. So ayan, unti-unti na sila napupuno. So ayan, dumadating ng mga tao. Usually pag Sunday, sabay-sabayan sila dumadating. Which is nakakaloka kasi biglaan silang sabay-sabay dumadating.
Hindi ko alam kung nag-usap-usap ba sila.
Oo, ganun talaga
May
tao.
group ata sila
Parang people are very predictable. Kung dadating isa, alam mong susunod-sunod sila. So I think they pretty much have the same idea of what time to come, when to come,
when
and,
to not come.
how to come. Ay, iba na yun?
Parang iba na yun, te.
Bye!